How to change notification sound on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Control panel is where you go to manage necessary Windows settings. To change the notification sound using the control panel, open the Start menu, then type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the control panel, click Hardware and Sound, and inside Hardware and Sound, click the Sound. In the Sound window, switch to the Sounds tab and click Notification in the Program Events section. Then, click on the drop-down icon under the Sounds option and choose a sound effect of your choice. You can select a sound and then click Test to hear it as well. Once you have finalized a sound for a notification, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now you will hear the sound you selected whenever you receive a notification. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.